When automatically capitalizing the beginning of sentences, Word relies on how you historically have done your typing. Well, this can cause a few problems, as outlined in this quick tip. When you are typing sentences in your document, Word automatically capitalizes the first word of what it believes to be sentences. If you're typing along and you notice a word doesn't capitalize a word that it should, well, this can be a little bit concerning. Why didn't Word change to a capital letter like it should have? The reason for this is because autocorrect watches, at least to a limited extent, how you type and tries to adjust itself for what it perceives as your needs. If you are typing along and Word makes an autocorrect correction and you immediately backspace and type over the correction, Word figures that you don't want to make those corrections anymore in the future. To ensure this, it adds the last word of the sentence with its ending punctuation to the autocorrect exceptions list. Depending on the way you type, this can cause some problems. Let me show you what I mean. Notice that I have a blank document on the screen here. I'm going to type a short sentence, one that ends with a period. Now, I'm going to type a word that I don't want to be capitalized. It doesn't really matter what the word is, so I'll type the word yellow. You can see that it's all in lowercase right there, and I haven't pressed the space bar yet. When I do press the space bar, Word realizes that I started a new sentence, so it capitalized the word yellow. I haven't started the next word here, but let's say that I decide that I really wanted that word yellow to be lowercase. So all I have to do is backspace, and then I'm going to type it in lowercase again, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the space bar, and notice what happens this time. Notice that Word did not capitalize the word yellow. The second thing that it did at this point, though, is it added the word jumped with its trailing punctuation to that exceptions list that I talked about just a few moments ago. This means that any time that I end a sentence with the word jumped in the future, autocorrect will not automatically adjust the capitalization of the first word in the following sentence. Well, if you don't want Word to second guess why you're backspacing in the future, then you need to make a couple of configuration changes in Word. Start by going ahead and displaying the Word Options dialog box, and then we're going to click Proofing at the left side of this dialog box, and then I want Autocorrect Options right here, and finally I'm going to click on Exceptions. That displays the Autocorrect Exceptions dialog box. Now if I scroll down through this dialog box, we'll get down to the J area here. You can see that it has the word jumped with that period at the end of it now in this exceptions list. That means that the word jumped with a period ending a sentence won't cause automatic capitalization of the word that follows it in the future. What I can do here then is go ahead and click on the word jumped. I can delete it from this exception list, and now Word will behave properly with the word jumped in the future. This illustrates an important point. The exception list is dynamic, meaning that you can add to it or delete things as you want. In fact, if you look through your list on your system, you may see words in there that you don't think should be in there. You can go ahead and delete them, or you can add additional words in there if you want to. Just make sure that you have the trailing punctuation mark after whatever you add to the exception list. Now, to make sure that Word doesn't add things to the exception list automatically in the future, I can clear the checkbox right here, the one that's labeled Automatically Add Words to List. Now, when I go ahead and dismiss this, I say OK, OK, OK. Now I can go ahead and type, and Word won't second guess what I mean when I backspace at the beginning of a sentence. It will, however, use the entries in the exception list to control what autocorrect does when capitalizing words at the beginning of sentences. The exceptions list is quite powerful as it helps control how autocorrect behaves. You can either allow Word to add words to it automatically, or you can control it manually. The choice is entirely up to you. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.